we are going to enroll a program of tree planting in Mbarara City. We want you to help us to adopt tree planting, but also let's train and adopt clean cooking technologies.
During the stakeholder engagement session in Mbarara City, representatives from local government, religious and educational institutions, security agencies, and the private sector deliberated on key issues related to clean cooking. Discussions focused on electricity affordability and the challenges of firewood and charcoal-based cooking. Participants partook in live cooking demonstrations showcasing the efficiency of electric pressure cookers. Mbarara City Mayor Robert Mugabe Kachebezi lauded the initiative, emphasizing its potential to improve livelihoods.
I saw how it is working, and it is even very okay. Even if you reached home when you are from a certain function or office late, it doesn't require you to go to the whatever. You can put the utensil in the socket, then you prepare food. You prepare something and you eat and go.
David Sancho Niwegaba, Mbarara City Natural Resources Officer, highlighted the strong leadership commitment and community involvement in clean cooking initiatives. He further emphasized the city's ambition to become a model for clean energy adoption and environmental protection.
So with this technology, it is going to help us reduce on those effects of climate change, but at the same time, the effect on the health of the communities.
According to Dr. Mukisa Nicholas, the project manager, the behavior change campaign on e-cooking aims to achieve a 3% annual growth in electric cooking adoption.
When we introduce these technologies, we want to identify local agents who remain as local suppliers of these technologies. So the companies we come with from Kampala or from wherever we travel with, we want them to find local agents in these cities so that our people can continuously access these technologies in their proximity.
Beyond stakeholder engagements, the Uganda National Alliance on Clean Cooking, with support from GIZ Uganda, organized a public engagement event to boost the clean cooking market. The event featured demonstration on various energy-saving cooking technologies suitable for households, schools, and businesses. A 5-day exhibition allowed the public to explore new clean cooking solutions while also promoting business growth in the clean cooking sector.
It has been eye-opening because while at home we are using charcoal and firewood, thinking that these are cheap sources of cooking. Actually, we found out that they are not cheap at all.
The project manager, Babide Sarah, says strengthening the entrepreneurial ecosystem for the clean cooking sector program aims to reach 12,000 households with high-tier clean cooking technologies.
We are trying to bring varieties so that people can really identify the technology that is suitable, because we are also advocating for taking off the technologies, because we understand that there are some parts of the area which do not have electricity.
Meanwhile, the government has outlined plans to subsidize electricity to encourage more Ugandans to transition to electric cooking. Kenneth Chitandwe Sonko, reporting for UBC News.